Hello, everyone. My name is Raymond. I work as a software engineer for a financial services company.
Hi, my name's Evan. I headed up some of the more R&D projects on this.
Okay, so to build our project, I did some market analysis of resume and cover letter, resume and cover letter services. So basically, I was able to compile our competitors, which are Zeddy, Visual CV, Resume Genius, Resume.com, Resume.io, and WellFound. And I also have two graphs right here that depict that our services, whatever we're offering in our project, are currently in need. As you can see, both graphs depict an increase over time, and that's over the past 4 and 5 years. And we also, while we were building our project, we also kept in mind some notable features from our competitors, as well as features that they lack or are unfavored based on their ratings. And that's really it for now. So now I'm gonna pass it to Ray so he can go over the product demo.
Hello, everyone. Again, my name is Raymond. You can go ahead and call me Ray. And I'll provide a quick demo on our app. So first, my bread and butter is mainly as a backend developer. So I'll give a little bit of an overview first of the infrastructure, and then we'll go finish it all off and show off all the different features as in the demo. So without further ado, we decided our main web app is mainly hosted in AWS. In this specific example, we're using AWS Amplify. So the main reason we chose to use Amplify is for 5 reasons, and I'll touch on each one briefly. So mainly, AWS Amplify, or just AWS in general, allows for rapid development and deployment, enhanced user authentication, scalable and reliable hosting, real-time data and offline capabilities, and cost efficiencies. It's only a pay-as-you-go model. So given the current infrastructure we have, normally in our development environment, I can go ahead and, for example, as soon as I push a new change to the main branch, or let's say to a feature branch, then merge it into GitHub here, what will happen is basically it will start the pipeline development. So AWS will go ahead and provision, build the app, and deploy. The key part here is deploy. So basically, this kind of abstracts a lot of the back-end services. I don't have to worry about setting up an EC2 instance, VPC, security settings. Amazon does all that for me, and it has the backing of being up to standards by them, by such a large company. Second, I also, thanks to AWS Amplify, you can basically tie your backend to your front-end environment. What this does is basically just every time I submit a push, it allows for a little bit more rapid development, mainly because I don't have to worry about, so for example, if I put a new feature in the website, and let's say it turns out to be really popular, it takes off or whatever, the backend will automatically just scale with the front end. And AWS will increase the services, touching base a little bit more. So a lot of our backend services are just abstracted out here. For example, for our app, we can host and manage our users' accounts, emails, passwords, set up MFA information, and do a bunch of other stuff. Sorry, touching. And lastly, here's a little bit of our demo. You can go ahead and sign out, create a username or create an account. Let's say that. It'll send an email. Send the email, get the necessary code. In a second, it'll get here. And yeah, that'll be the code. Log in, confirm, and here it'll basically just shows a really rough demo, but sorry, I'll continue.
Oh, goodness. Okay. Yes, so we also built out an amazing mobile interface. Could you hook that up, please? As well in React Native. And we also built out a custom metaverse linked into with an LMS system as well as a CMS with an open source.
Thank you very much. We're going to hand it to the judges now for questions.
Okay, actually, I'd like to hear that last sentence, a custom, and then we got kind of, if you could make it real quick, like in 20 seconds.
Yes, so we created a custom meta universe to work with coaches. We created a custom on-demand LMS system, learning management system, to download videos in real time and study with that. We did backends on both and a CMS blog to up us on SEO.
Okay,
Yeah.
what do you do in that custom metaverse?
Yeah, so we've got it set up to where you, if you're working with R&D teams or whatever, you can show off 3D models, as well as you can interact just via Zoom and prototype your interview.
All right.
Any questions from the judges?
Prototype your interview how?
Yeah, role playing.
Oh, okay.
We're talking and actually do some work with one of the top 5 recruiting firms in the world, and kind of looking in partnerships with that to work. And via your resume details, of course, we generate some of them, but also using a custom recommendation system off of TensorFlow to help direct you down the right path and get you the right interview prep.
Can you purchase an NFT of your resume?
I looked at that, actually, and unfortunately, it was not working out with me.
By the way, yeah, we know that Evan's deep into VR and Web3, so yeah, that was a very good question.
Cool. All right. Well, thank you